What's good, YouTube? As you can see, my son in the background making another noise because he thinks he's in trouble, but no. So back with the next video. This video is a surprise. We can't target on the ear because the kids them is a surprise for them, is it? So when where we going? Okay. So you're gonna see it in the description down below. Okay? Yeah. Surprise. So I can't tell the wife will drive. Kai Sean is have on the own, so Kai there. My vacation same way, yeah. So like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend. You see me, I put in the work. What are you saying?
I'm going to water park.
Water park? You said what you say, Jack?
I'm a green fan. I think we're going to the beach.
Okay. Some say beach, some say water park. Let's see. Babe, where are we going? You know?
And if you're going to the water park,
Can't tell me. You see, she can't tell none of us. I knew, but yeah, so I bring me on the journey. I drive right now to the location. First, I get some gas. I should be there at 10:30, you know. Exactly, you know, late. You see it, so we're late. The students were late. That's all. You got extra late because this one, I leave my phone on charge. So I have to get the gas. Then I have to go black. My phone, so they got extra late, so yeah. The location this one? And you can see it. How much wind did they get last night? 3? I didn't get more than that. I think me and you get 3 only. Maybe we want to make a wind with Kai Sean and Miles. So that's 4 win. Huh?
We got 5.
Got 5.
1 was me.
And 1 in blitz. So 3 reload. No, 4 reload and 1 blitz.
Yeah.
And they were sweats. But we work as a team, right? You see what happened when you die? It's more harder for me. Because I have to be fighting 2 of them. And sometimes both of them are good. Or I get third party. So when I got you on my team next to me, it's more better. I got more advantage. I feel more braver to push anyone. See you later, but it's all over. Because tomorrow one go. No, it's a pan. Yeah, that should be a pan mistake. That should be a pan, not a lake. Pan I get fish in there. Tomorrow one. I don't want them fish when you have. Yeah, my son. Yeah, my son. Yeah. They didn't get it, baby. They didn't get it. They didn't get it, baby. What?
Wait, lines up.
What? Where are you going? I can't hear. What you say? I can't hear what you're saying. If me want to see the sign, I'll go where I go. You see me? Oh. You think that's where we're going?
No, because I saw a sign where it says it.
Oh.
So I thought it was.
Boy, smart.
I still think we're going to that thing. Oh, the beach. My hair's going yippee in the
Journey, I show them what I got. So we're reaching another 3 minutes. So, yeah.
Mom, do you know where you're going?
I know where
Hi!
I'm going.
Babe, do you know where you're going?
I know where I'm going.
Hey, and do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, African Lion Safari.
Catch on, you see the sign.
What?
The entry is right there. If we turn this way,
African
we're
Lion
going in
Safari. You see the blood, not lion,
and we're turning.
the king of the jungle.
Yeah, but I said that already.
Why?
Said that already. No, I said
Slow,
that.
slow, slow.
Why are we wearing swimsuits?
There we go.
Well, I literally said
It's all quick right, you know?
You know what we're going to
But he literally.
So that's where we're going, guys.
No.
Guys, I got it right.
No, he's cheating.
No,
he
it's
literally said it at the last
I know. You saw the sign, I know.
Okay, so who said? But
Ayan was right. You saw the sign. You said the one down there, and you saw the sign.
Drive again?
Huh?
Can I drive again?
What's that one say?
drive what?
Last time we were here, I got to sit on your lap and steer.
That's true, but you were much smaller
And me.
then. Now you're longer than me.
Welcome to African lion, safari. So the lion and the giraffe and all kind of thing. Them full though. We late, you know. You know, so inside I got full already. Active place, you know.
Mama, did you check us?
Why are we wearing a swimsuit? It makes no sense.
Oh. Buses and all.
If you can just put us and we might get wet in them, so we want to get wet, so Wawa, and chicken nugget, and eat Skippy. Are we going on a bus?
I'll call Kayla. No, we're not going on a bus.
Okay.
To use a under free.
No.
Okay. And
Yeah, so right here is where you drive a car slowly and you see the lion them right next to your car. I make sure my mirror is bulletproof, so nothing can happen. Is there? Lion eat people here. You know my thing already. I'm a black. I'm not white like my family in here. Cause the huh?
Any other time you love my color, now I'm white.
Lions! Gimme! Under the sneaky.
Hi. That's 5 tickets here.
Yeah, lion.
Ticket them buy online already, so I scan them for go in and all.
And are you planning to take the car through or go on the bus?
The car.
Any cracks on the windshield?
No?
So just make sure doors and windows stay closed. The driving section will just be to your right.
Close the windows, guys. Close our windows for instruction. Kanshan, close the windows. Avon, close the windows too. Yeah. Yeah.
Do I need my phone? I gotta call
On the phone, on the phone, on the phone.
Have to be closed by somebody in the back.
On the phone.
Babe, I'm struggling. Sorry.
What you struggling for?
Because I only got one hand now.
Them give you a little
Why do we need a closer?
program and map.
You want line to
African
come?
lion
Baby,
safari. Hey, check close the door, Claudia. Yes, put one lock. Lock it there, car. I don't want to make mistake and call a lion.
You want a monkey to start climbing around in our car?
Yes.
So he can go on the bus for free too. I gotta pay for
Bus
that.
costs money.
Oh.
How much?
Come on, we don't wanna know. We got our own car.
$1,066 million.
You see me? So I wanna go on there. Yeah.
That's a sprinkle.
So guys, we're not going to no food. Make our own sandwich, sub sandwich. They're gonna make the custom made sandwich.
That's a sprinkle, Mom.
Hi, Kai. Hi. What's up? I was hoping you could do me a favor today.
What's up?
Could you make me a little video that says quickly?
Did it on the camera for 5 seconds. That's all we need. Bumbleclad.
When you guys get back from that?
The lion.
Mom, and then when we
All right, we'll see you later. Love you.
Read this. What am I saying? What am I saying?
Hey, Avani,
For your safety, please stay in your vehicle. Keep doors and windows closed and locked.
What did Kylan say?
Yeah, boss.
I can't hear.
Mom, tell me what I said.
Yeah.
Bye.
Check the windshield, yeah? Check the windshield. Good. Everything of this. Alright, boss. Respect. Respect, my boss. Boss, make sure everything good.
All right, ready?
You ready? We're going to see a lion and tiger.
Do not feed animals.
We're not see that one there. Sorry, that one is don't feed animals. We're not feeding no animals of
Mommy was
bumbo.
ready too.
For the what?
I have to feed them.
Out in the duck? Out in the cow? Out in the lay down on the grass?
They're hot.
So then there what?
I don't know what they
Let me see
are.
what I'm going. I'm reach place. First, we see the animal there.
Is it an alpaca?
You don't know what that means, you know?
What is that doing?
Yeah, man, see bird in there. I don't know. People look up. I tell them what I'm going. Make me a video. The experience. They don't know what the name. Like I'm going to say lion and tiger. Yeah, but I don't know what them there.
Look at this one just laying right there.
That one here sleep. Watch out. Look, watch out. Life sweetie, honey and sugar. Look at that one like you want some drugs or some of them drugs in for them listen. Watch them. Me for driving the babes. Are you for them?
Yes, you can keep your seatbelt off. What?
Wait, I can take my seatbelt off.
Yeah, you can take your seatbelts off.
Moving on, like,
Mom, I have a question. Mom, can I tell you something?
So so it says empty. So put them lines, you know. Jesus.
So the lion can eat them.
Bumbo, not them line and then them for show.
Wait, can I say something?
Just think about it.
Of course you
I
can.
didn't think about that. The lion help up by themselves.
oh, Romeo, what if a lion just starts walking all the way over here?
No.
Because there's fences in between.
Oh.
everything.
So the cow or the bull?
got horns.
I want that. I want that.
Let's show you all the stuff inside.
What are those? Why?
Kaishan, you get that Kaishan. You figure that one out. You get the Kaishan.
Kaishan used to love this, and he used to. You can get a book for $10 that tells you like about all the animals. And when Kaishan was little, he used to be obsessed with having the book.
When they know the lion and tiger, I want to see now.
Is that a rhino?
And the wolf them, you know.
No, it's not a rhino.
What is it?
And the parrot can talk.
What is that?
I'm not 100%.
Me know see the crocodile and alligator and things. I don't know what that.
All we showed us on
People, listen. What is this over there?
the bulls.
Looks like a bull.
It does not. It looks like a moose. No, that's a moose.
It's not a moose.
That's
These
a
are
moose.
very trying to bring them, but they're like they both could be 7 foot.
Oh, that's
You
a
know
moose.
that?
People,
That's a moose.
I don't know what it is. You can't tell me what it is.
It's not a bull.
So animal I'm say a while ago to blood now. I never seen in my life yet until on TV and show.
Tail's going wee.
I don't know what that, but look put them bum buckle on, man. Look like a one cow. A cow, man. A different kind of cow.
But we don't even see it.
Then the rich cow eat certain grass alone.
Guys, look right there. There's a sneak peek of the white lions. They're laying right up there.
Bum buckle on, is that? I just pussy. I want the bum buckle. No, let's go see. We're going to see them more closer. You see me? Don't worry. Everything, me not cut nothing out of the video. With the intro already, everything me I show you now. That military can give me 3 hours. So about 3 hours, close.
No, I saw a cheetah.
Tell us everything me I go on here. That's why if they eat a Subway sandwich. Tuna sandwich, you know. She don't eat meat. She don't eat chicken and the thing them. Snacks I eat, there's a snacks and then there's a layers. Layers over there, so I don't know. Where the camera guy said no eating on the job. No eating food on the job. Got it? So you can see, everybody drive slow because the man see lion very great. But see lion over there, sir. So other man, other guy got his hand out of his window. Breaking the law.
They work here.
I know, man. Trouble maybe, yeah.
Oh. I've never been here, so I didn't know.
Simba!
I saw them right now, Miko, listen. I see them on the camera, the good lens. See Simba there? Buckle and biggie, man. See King there, them there, sir? See King there, them, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
And the male at the bottom.
Yeah, the king that, man. Yo, them biggie, man. Buckle.
Simba's at the bottom.
Yeah, Simba's the boss. Yo, buckle, yo, them big. What's that woman there with her hand? I can't, she call the driver come. No, we don't, we're in front now, see the other one them around or something.
I think there's a lion.
Yeah, that was a lion. The king of the jungle. You see? The thing about here, let me show you them get a lion quick. Like we're not gonna see more lion and more animal and tiger and the giraffe and the dinosaur and the dragon. Yeah, so me the dragon there. It's a Subway moment. Oh, the Subway sandwich, wifey.
I could use a little more mayo.
There's no mayo though. I got you.
Oh, you can use the
You can get more mayo out for the second one. The one over there, so. We're going right. Oh, that's our pass. So that's some line around us again.
Over here.
Please farm 2 lanes. Dangerous animals. Windows closed. Dangerous animal. Keep windows closed. Yeah, I want to tell everything in there. Yeah, man. See, look at boy there.
But what is that boy doing?
It's a picture, yeah.
Wait, then someone would have to do that.
Any parent in the
Good.
Western child do that.
Good experience, you know? Yeah, man.
I wouldn't.
Good experience. People, like, share, comment. And the best part of the video, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell.
Comment your favorite animal.
Huh?
Comment your favorite animal.
Comment your favorite animal. Yeah. Tell them American baby. Oh yeah, eat. Sorry. Comment your favorite animal. You see me? See a lion there. A lion me kind of rate still. You see me? I want to go in here, so. Oh, you can't stop seeing me. I want to go on. Look on line there, say. But I can't stop and say this now now move.
They're on this side.
Yeah, so look, I traffic now, so I'm going to wait until it's done. Everyone taking this their little time to look at the lion, so we're just waiting. It's a girl. She's not a male. It's a girl.
Male.
She's going good.
It's a female.
She's going good.
Going up.
He's kind of lazy. That's right.
It's a gula money.
I don't
No, sit down now. Go, Kaisha. I'm going to see the perfect fight.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be at the bottom. We're gonna be right there in a minute.
Oh, we're
The
cooked.
lion.
We're cooked. There's two. We're cooked now.
I'm telling you.
We're cooked.
That's the mom and the other one's the daughter. And that one's the daughter to a thing.
We're cooked.
See the general, sir.
Oh, I
The
see
general that
boy.
protect the general that protect the bomb buckler ground. You that bleach at the ends.
Yo, we're cooked.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Yeah, man, white lion.
Now we're cooked.
Very
Mom, we're
nice.
cooked.
You know what yo, watch it. Look on her head. Her head big, you know. Oh, she open her mouth, fam. She open her mouth, babes. Hey, girl, sit down. Hey, girl, lock your mouth, lock your mouth. Hey, lock your mouth, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Oh, me not scared of you. Me not scared of you. You hear me? Me not scared of you. Oh. Oh. Who's scared of you? Who's scared of you? Oh, who's scared of you? Oh, one knife up in your throat. You don't want to worry on that. You see that, guys? That's history. Look, Cheyenne again. I can't yarn Cheyenne.
That's Simba.
She's showing us her. Yo, that big in the yard. Boom, buckle, Char. Shall give you a show? Shall give you a show, you know?
Look, he's turning.
You know, see the general. Me are the general. Me.
Oh, look at
Boom, buckle, me call him, you know? And me call a boy, you know? You see that? And me call a boy, that one ago, you know? Yeah. And me call him. And me call the general, that one ago. You see that? And me call him. You know a true general, you know? As them see him know, say me and the general, I see them move. And me make them move, watch out.
Oh, the girls moving too.
As my car come and see them start move. As my car come and see them start move.
Mom,
I want to here.
Mom,
Oh, they are big.
is
You
not
said they're
getting
small.
any
Look at her.
Oh, small.
You said they were small. Look at that.
No, him big. She small. She, what's up? No, she the big man. She the mother babes. She the mother and the father that, you know. See, that she baby that. The two small one them.
Why can't I go get
The two that are baby. And this alright big. You see them move now?
Oh, I got a flinch.
You don't want to fight?
You tell that's the mom. That's her man because she just like jumped at him.
Yeah, man, I'm on, man.
Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, we can start a long child living now. You can start a long time child living now. That one, man, so I very big and she want to breed again. Watch out, she can barely car, look. You see? She can barely car and go. She's big and lazy. And nice though, man, I'm telling you.
The lazy, but the cool.
White lion. So guys, that was the white lion. And as you can see, it was the bomb! Ayan! You see that? He started moving when I came there. Every car passing, he was still there. And when I came there, you know I'm the general, the king of the jungle. He started moving when he see me. That is a good video for my channel, for the channel.
Did you just say chin of the jungle?
Chin of the jungle, exactly, Kanshan. Father Chin jungle. Yo, the man there, somebody there, so.
Father Chin.
He never sit down, can't know him see me. Him see a real lion. Oh. We're on to the next location. That video go along, you know? That video we are 101 hand.
Wait, Mom, can I have the book about the angels?
It's not a book, it's a little flyer.
Can I have it?
I pass location now, please let me.
So, one time when we came here and the monkeys were jumping all over our car.
Yeah, monkeys on there.
Safari trail, monkey.
Animals may damage vehicle. Enter at your own risk.
Okay,
This one?
beat them off. Wait.
enter your owners earlier, sir? So when you come away, babes, if you know you say enter your owners.
They're just monkeys. They're baboons, but they will jump on your car.
Yeah, Mom.
And do what? And do what? Cut the window?
Not on purpose.
They're not scary.
But I had one that just sat right here. Just sat there, just staring at you.
I saw one that proved a couple of bucks.
You see, yeah, think no more.
Where's the couple?
Come on, the macaron, the monkey. When you just tiger now, you meet with.
Look at all the flies on
What? Move!
Babes, ma come. Ma forward. Ma forward.
Why are you stopping, Mom?
He's gonna cross. Bumbo clot. Yeah.
Do I move?
Go, baby, go.
Move!
Fly, full them on there.
Flying on
I don't know what them on there are.
Well, they don't even care about the
But then I look at it. You can see something in them ears that that's him.
Oh, I see a monkey!
Oh, what did I say?
Monkey, baboon,
Mommy!
Oh!
Mommy!
Guys. Yeah? Actually, they're baboons, first of all.
Baboon.
Baboon!
Safety!
Wait, aren't the
One to the
baboons
baboon, yeah, man.
the one with the red butts?
This is a baboon, and it does have a big old red butt.
Bumbo clot.
Oh,
No, say no.
Baby, like that.
Them look nice though, and calm. Baboon, go suck yourself, boy, and show, boy, yes.
I belong with them.
You see, me I can't boy, what should be, the boys, me I talk too much.
Ayan said he belongs with them.
Yeah, we're gonna fight
No,
one time.
we're not throwing anyone outside. Okay? Not to reach the location. As you can see, we're not getting the reaction of them.
Oh, I want to
So far, the white lion are the best! You get me? Bumbo clot!
Lions are tough, bro.
The white lion is the best so far. The only thing you can get that, the dragon or the dinosaur.
No.
But see the dragon here, you come for it. For now, the lion's leading. You're up on the fucking idea.
The ostrich.
Them there is a deer or them is
I
a.
also really like to see the what's the tall one, guys?
Giraffes.
Thank you. Look at the
Be
rhino.
be a dog.
Rhino.
Right.
Rhino, Postalino.
What the hell was that?
You like too much stuff.
Ran in a big door. Them there is a.
Rhino,
It's big, yeah? Them want to get money right through the year. It's the summer. It's the winter and the morning can't cold.
Mom, just go.
And I go with that man. That's something different that man.
Mom, there's melon.
Yo, why would not over there?
Kashan, don't yell like that, like something
Oh,
happened.
there's melon.
So that's not never gonna work.
Are they making those for the ostriches?
Maybe.
Mom, I think I see them.
You know, they
See you
have
playing there. How can I go? I'm two playing a
the
race.
planes?
Huh? See no race?
Do I see the planes up there?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I think that one is carrying that one. I'm thinking. Yeah, see the rope? Yeah, I can see the rope, but you guys can't see the rope. But I can see the rope. I think it's carrying the plane somewhere else. So that you call that a record in the sky. Got it?
Wait, Bumblebee crocodile.
No ostriches today.
Yeah, they got rid of them because they were annoying.
Well, they must be making them a new inside home.
So you're saying that we're gonna come the car and go on the boat?
Yeah, we can. And there's a train we can take too.
So the place is big? And you're saying
The lineups for them really suck though.
the what?
The lineups for them.
So you're saying that the one in Toronto is bigger than this?
You walk around it.
No, what did I say? A bald eagle.
We can do that too. though.
Or next time.
Oh, these are the.
Cut.
These ones just walking in and out of the traffic.
Then we can come like a goat. That's a goat, yeah. They might have 3 on though.
Oh, mom, for the bark
I swear those are the billy goats. The ones that can climb up rocks like crazy.
I'm scared.
What did you mountain do?
I'm scared.
Mountain goats. Maybe that's
Oh, what are they doing?
Look at that one that's running.
I'm scared.
Like what?
They're on.
I'm joking. We're just taking its time walking.
What if it comes here and just like jumps on top of a car?
How would it jump? It doesn't even jump that high.
They're good climbers though.
Guys, as you
Mom,
can
look
see,
at that one, Mom.
stepson get jealous.
Mom, one
Because you see other kids in the front seat, with them parents, they want to follow. Please remind this man, this is old. You see some 3, 4-year-old, 5-year-old kids in the front seat. And this man is 7, gonna be 8 now. Let's not follow.
I'm a big
But they
boy.
don't have kids as good them more, so. Giraffe there.
Mom, one's looking
That one
at
is
you.
the female one. I think I'm gonna
Mom, one's
How can
looking
you tell?
at you. Mom, one's
What can I
looking
tell?
at you.
You know female from man.
Mom, one's looking at you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy YouTube, happy.
You know, it's a film food in the year in the sky.
Why is it a bite you off?
Giraffe there, so.
Oh, that one's on the move.
That
Look,
one.
I'm see the king coming. But once the king coming to the coast and knows they're gonna start moving, them see me.
Mom, you know deal
Thank you,
skin
sweetheart.
too? Can I have some?
Yeah.
Can I have some too?
Yeah. Is there only one cup?
I put 2 there. I'll grab the big one.
Nothing too.
Yeah, sure. I'm hungry. I'm so. I mean, I'm thirsty.
Any
Don't
chance
be
there's a
hungry.
bag in here that can be used for garbage?
Oh my.
I've been waiting since yesterday.
Avon and Kelsey's still alive.
Oh, Mom, there's a.
Big young fuck.
They have like a black tongue.
The way that they eat is so...
Weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the mouth.
Just from side to side.
I was like,
It goes one side, then it goes the other side, then it goes in.
no, Mom, it's like this. They do it like this.
Yeah, some good
Mom, I finished.
Okay, what do you want from me?
Can I put it back in the bag?
I don't want
Oh,
your
the
cup.
fuck. So you want to do a drink?
Maybe they have to go down there to the water and go.
Oh.
Come on, come right now.
Apa, what want to do here?
We did last time.
See that.
Watch out for the people I'm seeing, you know? Right, you know?
Stay on this side. This side's more better. Mom, this side's more better because you get a better view of the animals.
Hey, girl, it's in the bum buck like that, I get a bum buck like that.
Ah.
That's what I'm going to do, so. One step and I want to come stop. No, I'm to them driver here. We're not looking over here, sir.
Oh, that's how you spell it.
Australia, let's see ya.
No, wait, that's not Australia. What's that say?
Australia, see ya.
What's that?
Ostrich.
Deer, donkey, all kind of thing I got over there.
Yeah, do you know anyone that's
Look, red kangaroo,
I'm not even
Australia.
adopted, so you can be.
I said, do you know anyone? So you have to
Kaisha, look. Yeah, go Australia.
Go
They
walk,
spelled it
walk.
right here.
It's red kangaroo.
Is it?
Babies. And kids.
Turn that up.
Mom, go to the other side.
Buckler!
That's the campsite. That's the.
The boss is giving us a
One's
movie.
looking at you. One's looking at you.
Bombastic. Say, I hate
What the heck was that, Ian? What was that, Ian?
Go uppy up. Come on, just jump over the fence, bro.
There's enough for around 20 of them or 30 of them, so.
That's their campsite.
They're making some s'mores and having a secret.
Well, guys, those are the kangaroos. Buffalo
Well, that's
soldier,
just
buffalo right there.
Want me to put some on my arm, Mom?
Yes,
Continue.
baby.
I'm going to put some on my arm.
You got your knees good?
Yes.
Daddy, how are your knees?
I need them perfectly.
Oh, where?
Oh, more lion. They my brown lion them.
It's the same one that we seen.
Oh.
What one?
So, where should we go right now?
We're gonna go this way.
America?
Yeah.
Americans?
You. Under the eater bunny.
Go that way.
Under the eater bunny. Skippity wild. Mom, they're making a height.
Hubby wants to eat, so I need to record and drive.
You want to see the big boy sandwich? The big boy sandwich? Guys, that's not the baby sandwich, you know.
You let it to the bear.
So it's full of sauce.
It was too big. You couldn't
I still
fold
can't
it.
believe you put ketchup on it.
Fold it. It's when you like, the middle's so satisfying when you bite it.
So satisfying.
The crunch is so crunchy.
Alright, let's see what's going on here, guys. We have some more deers. That's what they are, right?
I see more donkeys. Mom, those white-tailed deer. These are so cute. Force me, go force me.
Look at that baby! Ain't even got no spots on it yet.
That is too much.
Babe, take a picture.
That is too much.
Oh my god.
Look, and they was pooping as they were walking.
Ew.
Yay.
What? What? Why is it staying still?
Hi, baby!
Among those babies.
They are babies. Look, this bit. Oh, it's like she like barked at the car.
Woof, woof, woof.
She said, I ain't moving. I live here. Go on, baby.
Oh, you got stuff on top of it.
When you see my car, it's not moving.
Well, it
Get
looks
it?
like a buffalo.
It's a big dog.
They are
No,
big.
yeah, the water buffaloes are back there.
Oh.
Kayla,
These are bisons, you said?
Yeah.
when you see my car, I want to move into the road.
Getting a little too close.
Oh, no.
Oh.
You're getting a little too close.
I'm good, man. Run there. Look,
Oh, I'm
when
scared.
I'm see my car, I'm start move.
You can hear
There's
them.
one there. One just standing
Guys,
there.
look. This one right here.
Look at that one just standing in between the cars.
Wait, what?
Surrounded. Surrounded. Ah! Oh!
Right now, I like your friend.
When he shook his tail, it hit the car.
I'm telling you, so when them see my car, I'm going to start move.
Surrounded.
No.
Yeah, man, I'm my car, I'm see, man. You know some color. She got the radio on.
Excuse me.
She hurts them, so you can move.
Hey.
Alright, guys. What's next? We're almost. Oh, there's something in the water up here I see coming. Something in the water.
Is it biting?
Those are the biting there.
I don't like the meat.
You didn't like the chicken?
Is it Bobo biting?
Cook them.
In the pond.
Santa's helpers?
Yeah,
No,
don't you see those reindeer? Hungry?
Take out the meat, man, I like the meat.
I asked if you were hungry.
And I want to see the orca.
You think they're in there because they're hot? What do you guys think?
Bathing.
Bathing?
No, fashion and no. Okay, so
No.
let me say how it's done.
The deer, you could literally see her putting the water on herself. These ones are just sitting here.
Okay,
They're sitting there because they're hot.
Okay, Mom.
I'm listening, Bubby.
Some are like hot and some are taking a bath.
Where are you? Here you are. Boy, what are you sitting on?
I'm sitting on
Oh.
this.
What do you think?
I didn't know.
A cowboy?
You are a cowboy, huh? 5 o'clock because it closes at 5.
Can you change my name?
To what?
Cowboy.
No.
Hey, can you change my name?
What?
No, I'm not Mom. Can you change my name?
I said no.
Please. That would be a good name.
No.
It would be Thomas. Money. My name
Yes,
will be
yes,
Uncle Lego
yes.
like the last.
What did you say? Kaishan is better than that?
Yes, honey.
The tuna? The benefit of not eating meat, I guess.
Person, do you have a friend named Thomas?
Yep.
Open it, baby.
Can you just comment?
For what? Hold on, guys. Listen, children, everyone be quiet. Listen. Don't act up.
Okay.
Don't take off.
Okay.
And don't go anywhere without a parent.
And no one go into the grass. Like you. You run off and you go on the floor here, roll like your road.
Yes.
On that.
It is busy in there. There are so many people, and you can easily go missing if you're running ahead and then a bunch of people like walk in between us. So stay with someone at all times. You understand me? And if you do not, I will pull your pants down and I will spank you right in front of everybody. You understand me?
I'm taking
I don't care how old you are. All right? Other than that, have fun. Let's go.
I'm taking electronics
Want me
also.
to bring my bake?
Kaishan.
Is that a watermelon?
It is your favorite food. You say your favorite food, right? No one say hear this. Hear it? Hear that? You know say good. Right. Once you hear that sound there. You don't hear that sound there, don't get it. You see me?
Ooh, what?
I'll tell you favorite food.
It's my favorite.
Who finished the sandwich?
I didn't. I finished one.
You finished one? So
Yeah.
you're full then, huh? Hmm?
Yeah.
You sure?
I saved. There's only a little bit of my the full sandwich I have. Is
2 gram peeps. The watermelon.
That's juicy.
What's it in that too?
Juicy. One meal's a good cut.
Yeah, all this.
Does anyone else want to give me a towel? To carry?
Where are we going?
We're going to
Avani, come. Now piece or no? All the side. Be your favorite piece?
yeah, it's a big piece. This way. Are that your piece?
That's me, Kaishan. All the side.
I wouldn't be surprised because that boy love watermelon.
How many Kaishan? I don't see it. Piece of me. See it?
That's good watermelon.
Told you. It's aloe. It's sweet. You know it's a good watermelon.
Are we going to the water thing?
Which one you want?
Yeah, I don't want to keep coming back to the car, so.
Take it.
So do I bring my towel?
That's what I'm asking, if you want me to put the towel in my bag.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, cutie.
Mom, bite?
I got my own, I don't need
No,
anybody
take a
else.
bite. Just take it. It's a big watermelon.
Yeah, but look one go.
What?
African Island Safari.
What about it?
Nice.
Nice?
Mom, I got the towel in the bag.
Alright,
So it's the lion them.
you've never been before. We haven't gone inside yet, but what's your rating so far?
So far, the lion still the show. Out of 10? 7.
So far?
Mm.
We'll get inside in a minute. I don't want to hold it. You can go sit it down. I want to put it in the bag.
Yeah, we're having a snack break now. Sandwich break. Probably have to go change the battery soon because we're dead.
19%. Oh, look at your shirt now! You bring another shirt? Yeah?
Wait a second, Mom. I want to tie this, like tie-dye this watermelon. This.
Oh, you did a pretty good job of tie-dyeing that watermelon. It's good.
You ain't gonna be a piece. Good.
Yeah, don't romp with watermelon.
And don't play. Run play.
I don't play.
Amani, let me see a watermelon. What are you eating? The watermelon done.
Not wasting watermelon. You wait until the line's done.
You good, you good. Hey, Junior.
Jeez.
I want this one. I'm joking. Mom, do what Avani's doing.
I'm doing that.
But I'm gonna do that.
That's crazy. Boy,
I'm
look
gonna
at your
do that.
shirt.
It's not my fault. It's the watermelons.
Avani, the watermelon done. If you want more, you could just ask for more.
Is
Oh, another half of watermelon left.
Yes. Ready for that one more.
Let me see. Let me see. Show the people what you eat. Show the people. Y'all see anything there? Nothing there. Nothing there.
I still see some lead.
It's not that bad.
It's just not that bad.
Tasty. Yeah, the green stuff's so good. Even the rind.
Mom.
The rind is not good.
Mom.
You're not supposed to eat the rind.
It tastes
What?
like
You know what this
watermelon.
reminds you of, Mom? Remember when we were at Nanny's and Cam started eating the banana peels?
Yeah.
That
Mom,
he was like,
mine's up.
oh, Mom never bought me bananas.
That boy is weird.
My boy is weird. He said he always eats the rind all the time. Never in his life have he done that.
Boy, I like.
And they tell him, Mom don't buy bananas at our house.
You do. No,
My husband makes me banana fritters every other day. And what he making banana fritters out of? Apples?
No,
You know,
bananas.
Come, put it down. You finish? Yeah. Put it down, sir. You want mine?
You know she don't. You ate it. You bite it. She can't have it.
You want to Sharon or no?
Water.
Go.
It's cold.
Go get some more.
I'm gonna put it where I want to, cause your legs need some too.
You sure?
Listen, how can you have this beautiful skin and then not want it shining and glowing? Come on.
You hear people? I don't got that beautiful skin. My skin ugly. Bumbuckle, you ticklish me now, man. Continue.
It was ashy in there. I'm not doing a half-ass job.
Alright, do the full job.
You can't be embarrassing me out there.
Oh, you hear people?
You don't see my nice clean skin.
Embrace, sorry.
So you gotta have nice clean skin like me. Other one.
You know you want to say that. You're not a full job. I don't
Yes, I
have a job. You want to say white?
Oh, I can't see.
No white, but it kind of dry.
It wasn't white.
Alright, so look on this. Your teacher for doing a job, which you know.
I'm not wearing no glasses.
That's what you're blaming?
Yeah.
The glasses?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, I
You
forget
finish
that.
now. You need to
It's
finish that.
finished. It's finished.
That's too extra. Look at the watermelon over there. And you're going, look at the man's shirt. Look at your shirt. Look at your shirt.
It's tie-dye now.
You said you was tie-dyeing a watermelon.
Wow, ain't bad.
Where
Your
are
people,
the
the place
giraffes?
crowded, you know. African Lion Safari.
The day AI chooses
So
for real
successful.
white short.
Lion them steal the show, I ain't gonna lie. You in the jungle, come straight to my car and say and talk to me. So you're the region
My
now.
tie-dye shorts.
Yeah.
Mom, there's a
There's
boat
a store
right
place
there.
now. Boat over there, so water.
Daddy,
There's a
put
store.
your face there.
So you want to end that, right?
Dad.
Okay, hang
There you go.
on.
Skin on you?
No? So my face nice. My wife said. She said ugly, but she said nice. So.
Stop talking about my husband, so.
Are going to the boat or the water for me first?
Okay, give me the spray.
We should do the water last.
Let's go.
Let me do the boat.
Back up, guys. I don't want this spray in your faces.
Sunscreen for the skin.
Mom, do you like food? What if they're the same? What if they're
So guys, we're on to the boat.
Wait, what if they look the same?
You see me?
All the same name?
Huh?
I said, I swear I'm gonna beat you.
For what?
Stop talking shit
About what?
about my husband.
Your husband's skin is ugly.
No, it's fucking not.
Come on, your skin is ugly, right?
He said, I don't want to be a part of this. Now stop.
And is my feet ugly?
Yes.
Told you. told you, you see?
He's got beautiful skin, right?
I know, baby.
Everybody's feet are crusty.
She. The eater.
Okay, then you say your feet are crusty, musty, super
He
crusty.
said yours are crusty and
Both
musty.
are forward. Both are forward there.
You can't be talking.
We won't be getting on that one.
You know.
Talia, and I'm going to be your guide today as we tour around Water Safari Lake. Just a friendly reminder that with the exception of water, there's no eating, drinking, or smoking on the boat. As well, I ask that we do please remain seated with your arms, legs, and head well within the boat at all times.
You get that?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you say?
And just a friendly reminder to hold on tight to your belongings, especially those hats. I will not be diving in the water after them. Now, today as we tour the lake, you will get the chance to see a variety of birds and primates from all around the world. During the winter months, they are housed in heated barns on the property, and that's because they are quite sensitive to the cold. But we also have these little barns on their islands, which they like to hide in from time to time. So unfortunately, I can't make any promises we'll be seeing everybody today.
Nice and cool.
Yeah, both right
Now,
here.
first up is coming up on the island towards the right. We have our ring-tailed lemurs. See them coming out the barn just here.
Yeah.
Now, the lemurs' most notable feature are their black and white striped tails. There's about 10 to 15 stripes on there, but it always ends in the black tip. Lemurs are very, very social animals. Their groups consist of around 10 to 30 individuals, and they're actually very female-dominated. They have these very long legs, which allow them to leap as high as 9.5 feet vertically in one single bound. And they have a reflective layer behind the retina of their eye, which actually gives the animal night vision. They're one of the very few primates that have night vision, and that's because they used to be nocturnal. And as they evolved, they maintained this feature.
Content. A video got long.
Very long.
Very.
I have to be a part 1, part 2. Part 3.
I want video, I make it in a bit.
Really?
Yeah. I'll make part 2, you know. Maybe.
See how you feel.
Is it a crocodile over there in the water? I see moving.
Coming around the corner on the right-hand side, this large white bird you see, his name is Pinky. Pinky is a pink-backed pelican.
Pinky's a boy?
He's actually one of the smallest of the 8 pelican species, but he does have a very impressive wingspan of 8 feet from tip to tip. And he likes to feed on fish, so he will dip his head underwater, scoop the fish up in his beak, then he'll shake all the water out of the beak and swallow the fish whole. And just straight ahead of the boat, up in those bushes, I believe I see a blue heron. These birds are recognized by that S-shaped neck, and they have these long featherless legs, which make them very excellent.
We're going to feel like we're at the fire.
Both are done. We're touring it place and I'll try somewhere again, so far black. There's variety of places to see. White play, you know, African photo safari, cabana grill.
Oh, that's what I want. Funnel cake.
Funnel cake, okay.
Oh, you said it? Yeah.
The Discovery Center, you know.
And you decided you wanted to do one.
Yeah, food all around the place. Place busy like with that Blue Mountain. You can't get closer than this.
Wait, so did you waste it?
I was close to the lion, right next to my window.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We're not going. We're going.
You want to go to the water or you want to go down to the train?
Train first. Water now?
You want to cool off
No,
a
train,
bit?
train. Yeah,
Train.
water for a little bit.
Train. Come, train.
Sorry. Let's do the train. It's got a nice stop.
After the train, we're going on more.
Turn the camera off.
Video on camera be good for YouTube.
Get rid of your stank attitude. Chicken nuggets and fries, $13.99. Show our people the scam here. That's free. Chicken nuggets and fries, $13.
That's a scam.
That is a scam.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Hey, and you can go there. Go.
I want to go there.
Go. You're the one that can go. Go.
I want to go.
I'm coming with you. And take the camera ready, Kashan? Take the camera ready. Put it on camera, put it on.
Is it on? Hey guys. Hey guys. Huh? I didn't even know if it was on.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I think it's time to climb. We'll go over there and get it. Ayan, slow, watch out. Mario, you climb in my yard. Man, I say slow, man, slow you, man. Watch out. Up on the weight. Ayan, it's too slow. I found it finished already. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, go down.
I found it still in there. She stuck?
She said, ow, my foot.
She said, "Ow, my."
Everyone here too big for it, Avani.
I've never had it too big.
What takes so long? Why takes so long? That was long.
Mom, when they come out, it looks like they're on the foot going down to the ground.
In a bit, we're gonna come over here in a second, huh? Every 5-10 minutes, we're gonna come over here with the kids, you know? Yeah, tour the place first, though.
I forgot how tiny the water is like.
Not for me and you.
They're tiny.
Safari, fried hot food place, you know? Ice cream, everything there, man. Nice place to come take a family or a female, or you know?
Supposed to be bullshit, aren't they?
There's the show times over there.
I want.
The trade's over here.
Bless you. Straight to my right? Okay.
Hold on. See the time for the show.
Okay.
Over there.
The barn owl. Found on every continent except Antarctica, edge of field, or the coast and gas strips. See? Must sleep, you know? Let me all. Here, all them. One of them. What's my cost? Spectacular owl. Snow owl. There's no owl there. What's the matter? When I'm a female. The great owl. I can't see the great owl. The great owl there. Bumbuckler, my friend owl there, man. You're hungry, man. See eagle, eh? It's an eagle in a bumbuckler. The eagle big. See the predator there for the birds, our birds, they are the eagle. So they see all that. Got it? Yeah. See long line, see you line long, wait now, long line. Joke thing. Let's get into it.
Friends we were at.
Want to see the owls? See the eagle?
Yeah.
Oh, you go over there, is it?
Eagle. Yes, sir. How's it going so far?
There is baby oil.
How's it going so far?
You asked him if he uses baby oil? Oh, he has sunscreen on.
No, you guys, some player in soccer is very fast, and people trying to like throwing down to the ground.
Chayowe.
So he puts baby oil.
Chayowe.
It's slippery.
His name is Chayowe.
You know a lot of things, huh?
Avon, how's it going? Huh?
Listen,
See,
his
I'm on
sister
tour,
has to
please.
sit next to me on the train because look at her. Look at her whole move. Like she's not big, almost preteen.
Carson, how's it going?
Good.
You, yeah, Avon, how's it going, babe?
What?
How's it going?
It's been fine except this line.
Yes, it's nice. It's waiting to go.
I think we forgot the water in the car.
We do.
So there's this.
So, Cho.
I might get one of those $10 cups that you can get free hot refills all day.
You know something good for Aeon? Guys, right there, you see the eagles right there. And the owls.
Hang on.
Go step on my foot.
I took a giraffe.
A giraffe. All right, Kaishan.
You ready? I went to Boston and took an apple, banana, cheese, donut, elephant. Dan told use it.
No, that's gone because the D was already done with donut.
Oh. So F?
F.
Brittle.
Yeah.
F,
Oh,
G.
right.
Wait, what's G?
Guys, see there, see chain there. As you can see, we have to wait again 25 minutes again to go over there, so I'll watch and wait. Choo choo choo! Choo choo choo! Hey baby, do you know what kind of animals are around here? Do you know? So what? Oh, we're going, right, we're going. Where's the gate to get out? Down there, so we're going down there then.
How many are in your guys? Five? Okay. Okay, let me just check. You'd be separated, is that...
No.
You're gonna wait for the next one? Okay, sounds good. The gate's all the way up.
Say, you're not Jamaican? Say it. Say it. Say what you just said? You're not Jamaican? Answer the question. You just say you're not Jamaican. Repeat it.
I answer the question, you know that.
Why you just said it, baby?
You're just upset.
Don't do that. This is the back right here.
I say I want to be pick some.
Keep on. You go out. What one is two?
Phone is just so close to it. Come on.
Go, baby.
I'm sitting here. Whoever wants to sit with me can come sit here. I don't want to sit in that one. I want to sit here.
Two guys.
You want to sit here?
Guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Chain board. Board the chain. Board the chain. Choo choo. Load the chain. Load the chain. Chain and load up. Wow, what's that chain start? Chain load up.
Building the western portion of the first transcontinental railroad from 1864 Today, the original steamer stands in front of the railroad station in Sacramento, California. If you look down the channel on our right-hand side, we there's gray blue herons standing in the middle of the water, just between some logs.
It's a bird moment.
Ontario. Their long featherless legs allow them to stand silently in the water for hours. And their eyes allow them to see
Bird. I'm going for the drive.
On our right-hand side, every spring about 130 pairs of Canada geese migrate to African line safari from their wintering grounds to the southern United States. Founding member of the International Elephant Foundation, accredited by CASA, which supports conservation, education, and research worldwide. Through their knowledge, passion, partnerships, and expertise, they inspire and engage people to ensure a vibrant future with elephants everywhere. There are 3 different species of elephants: the African savanna, the African forest, and the Asian elephant. And here at African Line Safari, we have the Asian elephant. Their most distinguishing trait is their long trunks, which have over 150,000 muscles and ligaments.
Safari barbecue. Burger, you know. We get two juice. Buy 2 cups. These 2 cups are unlimited, right? Or 3 days you can get juice. $10 each one for one. So right through the night, any month you want to refill, you can refill. So I'm getting 2 of them. Bats are flying foxes. But them.
These are also nocturnal. They sleep all day.
So now they're keeping a cage?
Yeah?
You said cage.
Okay.
Yeah, didn't you say this is the thing that gave you that fat? Especially like we said, this gave it to you.
Linnaeus is Mo. Linnaeus is 2 toes long. The biggest lost species out here. We're just hanging out with him today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Can I pet it?
Unfortunately not.
It's faster than you.
6 years old. 6 years old. I believe his birthday is in May.
One said, can she pet it? Unfortunately not. That's my girl. No. I tell you who's the brave one.
Mom. I would love to be a sloth. I could come out and be lazy all day.
What is that?
You would love to be a sloth and climb trees.
This one?
Slow all day.
It would also be such a
Got you. Could have been
Yeah.
You see it? They speak English, power. Speak Spanish, French. I've only speak French.
From East
Hey.
Africa.
Hey, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you little show.
Yeah.
Give us another show.
Arm bird, arm bill. East Africa.
So people help me out of here.
Why? Can you speak?
Like, realistically, these cages are so small. Imagine flying all around Africa. And now you in this cage.
Yeah.
I said, realistically, these cages are so small. Imagine flying all around Africa. Now you sitting in this.
You get used to it. You get free food.
Blue throated macaw.
Nothing.
Oh, it's like
Nothing on you.
Like, what's that? Oh, look at
I don't see nothing here.
Look, they love each other.
I see it. Same with this too.
My fat fin.
Yeah, they're twins.
Oh, probably like the.
Oh, husband and wife. Husband and wife.
Say pretty little baby.
What's he doing?
Coming right on over.
Oh, wow, look at him.
He's not friendly.
He only wants to come over when we're not there. Or Ayan. Ayan was there. Maybe he wants to eat you.
They only came over when we were there. Secret macaw.
These are friendly.
Nice and orange.
Do you speak?
Do you speak English?
Unfortunately, you don't speak.
Do you speak
Are you stuck?
You need help? I take you out. I want to take good care of you. Who's that?
Where's your homie at?
I was speaking of it more like it's scared of him.
Okay. Is that you making a noise?
Yeah, you making nice. Chicas. Chicas.
Hi.
Oh, this one.
Oh, yes, one speaking. What's up? You good?
Yeah, the blue and gold.
What's up, man? You good?
What are you doing?
Chicken rice and peas?
Now I know you guys talk.
I think this one
Say
speak.
macaw.
Macaws talk.
Macaw style?
Right?
Macaw. What's up? You speak? Give me something on the camera. Say hello.
Did they have to vote for the
Huh?
That's the vote for the cereal.
Macaw.
Toucan Sam.
Huh?
Toucan Sam. You know the cereal?
No.
What cereal is that, Aisha?
I forget.
What is that?
Fruit
He's
Loop.
talking.
Blue,
The
yeah.
bird on the Fruit Loop.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's some oil. Be oil. I don't like to the oil. I tell you the true people. I'm not brave. I hate seeing the owls. See them? I don't like to see owl.
Oh, I do.
See oil, I'm scared of owl. I don't like to see owl.
Sleeping now.
You want to sleep?
They're nocturnal, right? They come out at night, like the bat.
They're not sleep. She don't sleep, she's gonna move.
Of course they're not gonna be fully sleeping, but I'm saying that they were born to be nocturnal.
They sleep better at night.
Oh, I didn't even see
You're
the
trying
one
to
up there. I
Yeah,
didn't
but
see the two
nocturnal
up there.
means they typically sleep during the day and they come out at night.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
You have night
I didn't have
vision.
these.
So guys, my wife left us. She left me in Kaishan. She don't even realize I noticed that. We're not walking with her. Take you a while. Take you a while. She know this now, guys. Take her like 10 minutes. I'm joking. 1 minute. Take you forever. Notice me and stop walking. So you take you forever.
What?
It take you forever. You notice that we weren't walking behind you.
I was worried about Aeon not getting lost in the crowd.
This cool down here. Some people can see what I'm going to do.
Feels nice, huh? People their space. Oh, wow. No, it feels good. Keep it your eyes. Feel more.
Show what them say, you know? The water park at the African Lion Safari, and it's looking so crowded. It's a kids section, and we're out in the water. Big bomber clad. Big bomber clad. You can vibe, you can vibe, it's like a lot of big up. Hey! Bro, you know what's up? I want that. Go over there. Go, go!
Hey, want help? Hey!
She go by, you go, she go by, but it's like a lot of big up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I mean, go by, and go by. All my phone, though. You're not going there yet? Come on, you? Be nice. You can't get me. You can't get me.
So you're getting on. Here it comes. Kaishan.
Yeah, that was fun. Fun moment. Nice enjoyment. Smile and quick. You know, so we're gonna go back and see the lion inside, lion animals again. We're gonna go to the drive-thru to see the animals again. We're gonna come back here after. So we're gonna go to see the animals. You know? I found it. How was it? I've enjoyed it. Cash on you? Hey, and how was it? Oh my God!
Alright, let's grab our stuff.
Boom cha cha, boom cha cha, boom cha cha, boom cha cha.
And we'll come back and
Too stuck. Look, exit only. So we are leave this place right now. You know.
Wait, what are we doing?
Everyone had a successful day, including Ayana Valley.
Isn't this the line that
Why?
we're
visiting. I'm a big bag.
There you go, the sign right there. We finished. I go home now. Guys,
Thanks for joining us.
we have come to the end of the video. Do the right thing, okay? Like the video. Comment on the video. Comment the best part on the video. Comment whatever animal you would like. And share also. And don't forget the most important thing is to subscribe. Please, people, subscribe. You get me? We're out. Tell them so out.
No. Out.
Bumbo class.
Peace out.
Peace out. That's the right one to say. Say it again.
Peace out.
Okay.
Peace out, my youth.
Peace out, my youth. Style and Cantandi.